Well, we're cold outside this morning. It's still pretty blustery though, but with temperatures this cold, I think that really tells the whole story. 7 Denison and Carroll, 9 Harlan, Atlantic, 15 Fremont and Plattsmouth, still in the low 20s toward Lincoln, Beatrice and Falls City. When you factor in those winds though, wow, 10 to 15 below. Harlan, Carroll, Denison, Atlantic, 3 below at Epley, 2 below in Tacoma. So yeah, we're starting to see those sub-zero wind chills make it into the metro this morning. Got to take that big jacket with you as you head out the door. No concerns other than the wind and the sub-zero wind chills early on today. You can see a lot of clear sky over us, some clouds still lingering over central Iowa, some clouds lingering across central Nebraska and South Dakota, and that's the leading edge of another clipper that's going to be working its way in here, not until tomorrow. So today, lots of sun as we head through the morning. Upper teens and low 20s will be the split, and you will see this east-west split in temperatures over the next couple of days. Few high clouds as we go into the afternoon. Western Iowa likely not getting out of the upper teens. We'll get into the mid-20s in the metro. Near 30 degrees for a high today in York and Beatrice, but wind chills likely keeping things around 10 degrees for what it feels like outside. A few clouds going into the evening, temperatures right around 20 degrees at 10 o'clock. Winds subside overnight, but we'll start to add more clouds. And look at this, tomorrow morning, light snow north and east of Omaha, quick in, quick out. I think just a dusting here in the metro, but there's a chance we see about a ½ inch, maybe an isolated 1 inch total in parts of western Iowa tomorrow. So it should not be a big deal. We have another clipper system coming in on Friday. Thursday night into Friday, we could see another dusting of snow across the area. Highs stay in the upper 20s to near 30 through the work week, down to 21 on Saturday. And then going into early next week, we bounce back into the mid 30s with a rain snow mix possible Sunday into Monday.